Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's IELTS lesson, I'm going to discuss about gerunds. What are gerunds, infinitives, and base form verbs? When you write a verb, you must use the correct form. The main verb of a sentence has a verb tense. Other verbs in a sentence might be in the gerund, infinitive, or base form. So let's get started. Gerunds. Formula. Verb plus ing. Verb plus ing can be used as the subject of a sentence. Gerunds can follow certain verbs. They can also follow prepositions. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you now which is incorrect and which one is correct. So, the incorrect one. Number 1. Eat sweets can cause weight gain and other health problems. Correct one. Eating sweets can cause weight gain and other health problems. Next, the incorrect one. Many tourists enjoy to visit the museum. Correct one. Many tourists enjoy visiting the museum. Incorrect. They are interested in learn about history. Correct one. They are interested in learning about history. Next one. Infinitives. Formula. To plus verb often follow adjectives. Infinitives also follow certain verbs as well. Incorrect one. In the Antarctic climate, it is important keeping warm. Correct one. In the Antarctic climate, it is important to keep warm. Next, incorrect one. He expected returning to school in the autumn. Correct one. He expected to return to school in the autumn. Next one. Base form verbs follow modals. Incorrect one. You can to find information in the university library. Correct one. You can find information in the university library. So let's move to the other questions. The following statements are not completed correctly. Write the correct answer. Write no more than 3 words for each answer. First one. We will read this novel before the end of the semester. Correct one. We will finish reading this novel before the end of the semester. Next, he plans to arrive in Chicago at 10. Correct one. He plans to arrive in Chicago at 10. Next, she should waiting for Jim at the health club. Correct one. She should wait for Jim at the health club. Next, all visitors must to have a ticket to enter the museum. Correct one. All visitors must have a ticket to enter the museum. Next, pay a deposit will secure the apartment for you. Correct one. Paying deposit will secure the apartment for you. Next, it's easier get reservations at the hotel during the winter season. Correct one. It's easier to get reservations at the hotel during the winter season. Next, Marvin felt nervous about giving his report in front of the class. The correct one. Marvin felt nervous about giving his report in front of the class. Next, you cannot missing more than 3 classes during the semester. The correct one, you cannot miss more than 3 classes during the semester. Next, Sarah failed the class because she was confused about fulfills the lab requirement. Correct one, Sarah failed the class because she was confused about fulfilling the lab requirement. Next, they hoped saw alligator during their tour of the Everglades. Correct one. They hoped to see alligators during their tour of the Everglades. That's all for today. We'll see you next time. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.